Hey guys, welcome back to Amateur Cooking with Jess. Today I'm going to share with you how I make zoodles or zucchini noodles. And zucchini noodles are a fresh and healthy alternative to pasta. They're a fun way to increase the number of vegetables that we eat, especially for children. And also if you're maybe carb conscious or you're trying to lose some weight or you just want a nice light meal without the heaviness of pasta, these noodles are perfect for you. And also, if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, if you want to know how I make my zoodles, please keep watching. Now for the ingredients that will go into the pasta that I'll be making. I'll be using half a teaspoon of garlic salt and half a teaspoon of seasoned salt. Some cayenne pepper for spice, and you can omit that. 3 garlic cloves minced. Olive oil. I'm using organic olive oil and garlic sauce that I bought from Costco, but any sauce will do. I'll be using our noodles. They look beautiful. And ground beef. So first we're going to go over on how to make zoodles. Now I have what's called a spiralizer, and I bought this from Amazon. I don't remember how much it cost, maybe like 10 bucks or something like that. I've seen them at Marshall's as well. But as an alternative, you can use a cheese grater. You can use the bigger slots and just grate the zucchini from on its side. Or you can use like a potato peeler and just peel the zucchini this way and then cut them into smaller little strips so that it mimics the way spaghetti looks. But this is what I'll be using, and it's perfect. So the way it works is you stick the zucchini inside and then you twist. And it's super simple. And you're going to do this with all your zucchinis, depending on how many you're gonna feed. I actually did 6 zucchinis, and they were about small to medium size. And I'm making 4 meals out of this. You see that? They look like noodles. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to warm up a pot, and I'm going to add, I added a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to add the garlic. And I'm going to add the meat. Now I don't want to add too much oil because this meat already has a lot of oil. Not a lot of oil, it has a lot of fat. This is the 80% lean and 20% fat ground beef. So I like it to have a little bit of fat, tastier. Now that I have my meat in the pot, I'm going to add the salt. And I'm going to cook it until it's brown. This should take about, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes. Maybe less. Now that my meat has browned and cooked, I'm going to add the tomato sauce to it. Now keep in mind, you can totally make meatballs. However, I am very tired and don't have time for meatballs. So I'm going to make meat sauce. And I'm going to mix it up. Once I mix it all up, I'm going to cover it and let it come to a boil. Now meanwhile my sauce comes to a boil, I'm going to saute the zoodles or the zucchini noodles. And by saute I mean cook for about 3 minutes because I still want them a little crunchy. Now that my pan is hot, I'm going to add my zoodles. And like I said, we're just going to warm them up. So this should be about 3 minutes. If you want them a little softer, you can cook them a little longer. And by all means, these are very versatile, so you can add as many ingredients as you want. At this point, you can add more garlic, you can add pepper, you can add whatever your heart's desire. Now that they're warmed up, I'm going to go ahead and add some to my plate. And I do not feel guilty if I eat a full plate or 2 plates because this is healthy. Once I've added my zoodles to the plate, I'm going to add a little bit of the tomato sauce with my meat. Now as far as my toppings, I'm going to add some black pepper, some cayenne pepper because I do like a little spice, some Parmesan cheese, and lastly, I'm going to add a pinch of parsley. And there you have it. Zucchini spaghetti or zoodles. And there you have it. Zucchini noodles or spaghetti or zucchini spaghetti. Now you can definitely make these a vegetarian meal. Just omit the ground beef. And you can also make it a pesto style, or you can just eat it as a side dish. You can just saute them with garlic and eat them that way. I mean, I love garlic. So the possibilities are endless with these noodles. And honestly, they're delicious. They're crunchy, they're flavorful, they're so good, and they're colorful. I love when my plates are colorful. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, once again, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching.